He needs to understand responsibility, even at 6 years old. So rather than just reward, and then that starts to get diluted, why don't we start saying, you haven't done this, I'm holding you accountable now, you don't get this. The big thing here is motivation, right?
Exactly.
You're trying to motivate him with things that you think he wants to do.
Yes.
But try and look at it differently. You're saying you enjoy doing this, so he tries to do those things, right? And previously he was doing them, that was working, yeah?
Yes.
So maybe flip it. I think it's, especially with extrinsic motivation, there's this balance between positive and negative reinforcement. So you need to put almost a punishment in place, which can be taking away something if he doesn't do it. He needs to understand responsibility, even at 6 years old. So rather than just reward, and then that starts to get diluted, why don't we start saying, you haven't done this, I'm holding you accountable now, you don't get this. Now of course, there's so much power there, because he doesn't get to go on his PlayStation if he doesn't do it, but if he does do it, he gets 30 minutes on the PlayStation and he gets to go something else, right? So now it's like this whole full package of, extrinsic motivation which is going on, rather than just a watered down version of things he used to like.